Hello everyone, welcome back to the Southwest Fire Alarm channel. I haven't uploaded a fire alarm video in 11 months, but today I have a special guest, and that special guest is...
Fire Tech.
Yes, formerly known as L-Series. Yeah, okay. Here, so I got a brand new panel today because, as you know, my old panel... it's got a knack fault, and plus it's not addressable, and I want an addressable panel. Some people may love this panel, some people may hate it, but overall it's a really good panel, and this brand just has a bad rap. Okay.
Well, we're gonna prove them different. This is a great panel.
Well, some of the other panels this company makes aren't too good, but this one specifically is great. Yes, okay, you just kind of leaked it, but it's an older panel, so some younger viewers may not know what that is. Okay, let's get on to the unboxing, eh? You may see my face, Fire Tech, or everyone.
I don't see your face.
Alright. I got like the cheesiest razor.
Rip the box open. Look at that big hole down there.
I know, it's so bad.
All the way up to the top.
I know, it's like really bad.
The box is about to fall apart.
Yeah, I know. When I open it, it's probably gonna fall. Here, let me show you guys what he's talking about. Here, look at this thing. Look at this thing. Sorry, my camera zooms in super slowly, but it came like that. Hopefully no one stole anything. I don't think they did. They're like, what in tarnation is this? And then, like, they were like, okay. Oh, crap. I should probably...
It's a heavy panel, so I'm guessing they want to see what's inside there.
Yeah. So, 3, 2, 1. Wow. Wait. Wow. Bubble wrap. Look at that, guys. It's great.
Oh, wow.
And then, oh, dude, I'm starting to see it.
So,
what is this? Is this... I think this is like commercial paper towel. I don't know. It's like apparently a reusable paper towel. It's cool. What is this?
Okay.
Oh, this is the... That's the
So
pop.
is it just the main board?
No, it looks like the cabinet too. Wait, hold up.
Oh, wow.
Oh, yep, it's the entire cabinet.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, dude. Oh. Dude, it looks like the keypad fell off in shipping.
It fell off?
Yeah. There it is, guys. It's the iOS 64. Yay. Okay. Yay. Yes, I wish they packaged it a little better, but to be fair, I did get it for a decent price.
Hopefully it works, though.
I'm pretty sure it will, or else I'll get my money back guaranteed.
Are you gonna test it on camera?
Here, do you see this? Here, let me get the camera and show you how it's like not... Here, do you know how to reposition the board?
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh,
You're gonna have to teach me. Hey, at least it came with the dress panel. I thought before it didn't.
So basically, already from looking at that board, you're gonna have some problems.
Really?
I mean, fixable problems. I had to fix mine.
Okay, so I can fix them? Alright, I may need a key for this. Ah, crap. Oh, it's already unlocked. Cool. Okay, there's the dress panel. Then here's the keypad. Oh, it looks decent. I mean, I just need to...
That's not the only problem.
Oh, the LED, the screen came out also.
Wait, for real?
Yeah, look at this. USPS didn't do a too good job of shipping.
Oh, shoot.
You can fix that door, I think.
That could be a big problem.
Really?
Yeah, I never seen that one.
Mm-hmm. I think I can figure it out. I think I'll figure it out.
Very good shipping.
Oh, no. It is not. No. Oh man, that's not the best quality. Come on, USPS. Come on. You can do better than this. Alright.
It's gonna be a while before you get to power that.
Oh yeah. Should I just take the entire keypad out and then fix the LCD and then put it back?
Take the entire thing out.
Okay.
Yeah, that's probably gonna help you.
Clickbait this title and say unboxing a broken panel then fixing it. There's the keypad. Oh, am I zoomed in a lot? There it is. Sorry about that. There's the keypad. Hey man, if I can get it if I can talk, that'd be great, but if I can get it working, I would be more than happy. Okay guys, so we just took the whatchamacallit out, the panel out. So as you can see, now it comes out just like that. However, it sucks because it's broken. And I gotta reattach this LCD.
Technical difficulties.
Yes, extreme technical difficulties. It sucks. But
it might be a few days before we get it working, but on camera it's gonna be like another clip.
yeah, pretty much. So that's just an update. So, yeah. Hello guys, this is another update. We got the LCD mounted. Yay. Hey guys, another update here. So, FireTech helped me out once again, putting this clip, this skinny, yeah, apparently he had the same problem. You guys can't hear him because I have headphones on. He had the same problem apparently with his IO 1000 or whatever he has. And then, so, yeah, we got it in. It took a little bit, but you have to like lift this clip, put it in, shove it in there, and then put it down, but it's really difficult because it's like skinny and you don't want to like bend it and break it. Okay, now I gotta mount this keypad back on the board, but we'll see you then. Okay. Hey guys, another update. So I fixed the standoff that was broken. I got 3 more to go. Well, 2 more to go because this one's already fixed. However, yeah, FireTech unfortunately had to leave, as you can see. But it's fine because I'll just cry. No, I'm just kidding. I'll do it myself, I guess. He already told me what to do. Hello, everybody. Another update. So, as you saw, these little things were broken off, but I fixed each one. There, and there. Well, that's cool. I almost with my finger. Okay, anyway. Yes. It is all fixed now. Thanks. The crazy glue. Okay, let's move on. Hey guys, another update here. As you can see, the board is now in the case. So you can see, keypad ain't going nowhere now. Alright, hey guys, Southwest Fire Alarms here once again. And basically, the fuse is missing. And there's none on eBay. However, FireTech hooked me up with this link where I can get them for $1.57. But you're not going to be seeing an update video on this for a long time. I'm probably going to wire it up on the wall and everything. Then I'll put the fuse in when it comes, because it's not eBay. So I don't know if this website gives a tracking number. It probably does, but like, you never know. So that's a quick update. Now next on to the next one. Yeah, on to the next one. Alright, hey guys. So another update. One of the packages finally came about, I'd say 3 days after I ordered it. Oh, this might be the terminal block. Let's see. Because, I think I told you guys the fuse was broken. Let me, take all my stuff out. Also, look, I don't know if you noticed, but my room has been remodeled. I made this bed myself. Just kidding, I didn't. Although it looks like I did. Okay, here's my Walmart toolbox, but I don't care. It does the job. Alright, so let's open it now. Alright, now that didn't work. This thing is way too dull. I need to get my thick and then There we go. That just sliced open. Oh. A box and a package inside a package here. Let me see what it feels. Yeah, this might be the terminal block, so let's see. Hopefully I didn't leak my address again, and I don't have to put it out again. Alright, so, okay. I just Bruh, why can't I open boxes? I should cut away from me because that's what I learned in school. Unlike my SK4 unboxing when I was literally grabbing the scissors from the insides. That was so stupid now that I look at it. Anyway. Here we go. Oh, look at that. It's all the fuses from Walmart. Yay, I got the fuses. Okay, look at that. Bunch of fuses. Alright guys, welcome to the first fire alarm video on this channel in, I don't know, 11 months to 12 to like a year. And in this unboxing video, I am joined by
Northern Fire Safety.
Yeah, he has a pretty small channel, so go subscribe to him if you want to. I mean, I don't know, I don't want to force people. I don't know which side to open it from. I'm just going to open it from this side. Don't cut towards you, cut away from you, but whatever. Okay. I think that's, yep. It's a box in a box. There is the resistor, 47, yep. How do I open this without damaging stuff? Like this? Yeah, there you go. That's so satisfying. There we go. Look at all these resistors. Wow, fancy. Yes, very.
Yeah, I'm not ESD panel, I'm only a silent night owner, but all panels should be able to use 4.7K.
Yeah, but, you know. Anyway. Alright. So this is the alarm. This is the fun part, guys. Anything else in here? Nope. Alright, so now it's this one. Look at all that bubble wrap, dude. Whoa. Whoa, look at it. There it is. G. What? You're so quiet.
Okay, I love how you're like, this is the fun part. Bubble wrap.
No, I didn't say it about that. I mean, yeah, but like, I was talking about the fire alarm. There it is. Oh my. Okay, so there is that. Alright, let's take it out of there just like so. Wow, the back sort of looks like the old ESC Genesis. Just like that one, sort of. Yeah, my camera zooms super slowly, so sorry about that. Okay.
What?
No, my camera zooms super slowly. Okay. So, no, I'm not done recording. I was... Alright, so here is... Wow. This is a really thick manual just for a notification appliance. Okay, cool.
Wait, so you got the new...
I got the new, here's the model number. G1A VRF. So here we go. Paint cover's coming off. Oh, dude. This thing is amazing.
You're taking it a bit seriously.
Okay, listen. Look at that thing. Brand new. This thing is beautiful. To fix the fuse, so now... Okay, I think they like put in another shipping label. There it is. Wow, look at that terminal block. I have to like get this directly from the factory, dude. It took like forever to get. Oh boy, finally, man. Oh, I already have this part. I just needed this part. Okay, so first issue we're having, as you can see, the two terminal blocks are different from each other. Actually, it goes like this, but yeah, see, they're different from each other. And the reason I'm replacing it is because there's no fuse, and the fuse holder looks like this, but the fuse holder only fits in the big one. It doesn't fit in the one that's already in the panel. So I'm trying to see if there's like some special tool or something I need, but I don't know, we'll see. Well, that's a little... Alright, so yet another issue. These fuses are too long for this and this. The original and the new one. They're long for both of them. So it's just too long, it's not gonna fit. It's 1mm. I'm not sure what it is in Imperial, but yeah. Hey guys, it's about a month later after I got this thing, and I am once again, 1 month later, joined by...
We've been on the same call for 1 month straight.
Yeah, it's been insane, dude. Yeah, as you can see, I got my video just chilling there. Alright, let's see if this thing blows up. He's saying it's gonna blow up.
If it blows up, like, oh, I'm scared. I'm like gonna put my phone under my pillow so I don't have to see it.
Who knows?
Just tell me when you're gonna power it on, though. So I can close my eyes and shut my ears. Alright, tell me, do a countdown.
This is what I'm gonna do.
What? Do a countdown.
Alright, so you see this?
Yeah?
Yeah, I just took the surge protector out.
Does it have a
Let me look at
switch?
the YouTube camera. Okay. So basically, guys, I just took the surge protector out. That's also why the emergency light's on, but... Alright. Anyway. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it has a switch on it. That's why I got it. Off. There. It's off. Alright. Wait, let me move it to where you can see it, too. Can you see it? Wow, that's some good lighting because of... Alright, here we go. Dude, we're gonna flip the switch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nothing. No. Wait, let me see if this thing is even plugged in. What? No, it's on. Yeah, it's on. No. No, like the panel is not turning on. How do you turn the transformer on? No. One second, let me check. God. Let me check, see. Yeah, it's plugged in. Dude. Why is it not working? Look at this. There's no hum. There's no... nothing. Is this correct? You know what? At this point, yeah, well, at least that'd be clickbait, and I could actually monetize my videos from that. I'm a literal freaking idiot. I forgot to put the freaking fuse in. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I know. I'm still putting the fuse in. Don't worry. It's not. Yeah, I took the fuse out just to, like, make sure it's not falling around. Here, let me put the camera through the conduit hole. For the viewers, not you. No, I'm kidding. Alright. No. I mean, I know a little bit about panels. I mean, I did have a basic panel, but like... Dude, the fuse is in now. Let me just hold it, like... Here, I'll just hold both of the phones like this. How about that? Alright, gotta make sure this is off. Yep, it's off. This is not the plugging in. Alright. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's working! Yeah, the buttons are working. It says knack 1 trouble. I have resistors. You're gonna need to teach me how to do those.
You have resistors?
Yeah, I do. I got EST resistors. Here, let me go get them. Dude, I'm an idiot though. There's like a million troubles on it, that's why. It's an EST panel, what do you expect? Okay. I just got the panel and I'm already hating on EST.
There's probably like dialer trouble crap in it.
Yeah. How do you get rid of the dialer?
Make sure that the passwords work. That's the first thing you check. Press panel silent.
I did. Alright, wait, let me end the video. Okay, guys, I'll see you in an update later. Alright, hey guys, it's a little bit late, not too bad, but, basically, I only got this strobe set up on a new speaker strobe you guys haven't seen, but it's added to my LED collection. Yeah, I should be getting another LED soon, but they haven't shipped yet. Alright, so... basically, this is not closed all the way just because they strip a lot. Oh, yeah, this is another new alarm you guys haven't seen yet, I don't think. Yeah, so I got a 270 SPO, and then a Wheelock AS LED speaker strobe. Actually, speaker strobes are tinier than I thought. I thought they were like giant, like up to here. But no, it's only the simplex ones that are giant. But even those ones, the newer ones. And also, as you can see, I brought the treble down to just 2 from 3. So there is a knack 1 treble and a knack 2 treble, as you can see. Because I need resistors, because all these resistors I got up here are trash. Just kidding, they're not trash, but they're the wrong type of resistor. Anyway. Let's get the pulling, I guess. So I'll just push like that. We're gonna do this. Oh. We're gonna do that. Also, it beeps in code 3, which is pretty cool. Also, when I signal sounds, it just shuts out the strobe. So, I don't know if I want audible sounds or not, because I want this system to be up to code as possible. Okay. It just went into NAC 1 trouble. Yeah, anyway. So, if we reset, you can still acknowledge and all that. So, it's pretty cool. It doesn't do the loud beep like the SK4 did. And, yeah, it's pretty cool. So, I just want to give a shout out to, Bozai Guy for my 100th subscriber. So yes, huge shout out to him. And I really appreciate it. I really do. Because, like, to be honest, I thought I would only get to, like, I don't know, 50 subscribers. And then, I don't know. Just, yeah. Huge shout out to him. And just huge shout out to everyone who... Yeah, okay, anyway, I'm getting carried away. Anyway, here's a fancy door. I can put the door on. Also, I ordered the key. So, I don't know if you saw in previous videos, I had a fake lock. Well, not fake, obviously, but not OEM. Alright, and then you see there, that's what it's gonna look like normally. Yeah, that's what it's gonna look like normally, so... Thank you for watching, everyone, and have a wonderful, wonderful day or night, I don't know.